forgot something. Can you go get me the timer on the fridge? Okay. Thank you. Okay. We have the...
How much do you want me to set it?
No, just give me the timer. Okay, we have the mix, and now 4 teaspoons of water.
It's literally not on the fridge.
2. Okay, come over here. 3. 4. Break up any lumps and stir until smooth. Freddie, I also forgot something. Can you go get me a spoon to mix this with? Just like a spoon that we use to eat. Okay. I'm gonna go look for the timer. You guys just stay there.
Wait, okay.
Okay, so Freddie had to get me this huge spoon. I have no idea why he got a huge spoon. Okay, let's plug this up and mix it.
Plug this till the bumps.
I don't think we have enough water because it's like okay. Guys, even if we have enough water, I don't think that we have enough water.
This is the top
No,
of the lid.
Freddie, stop. Oh my
I'm
gosh.
pretty sure that can fit in there. Pretty sure that can fit in there.
Okay, I'm gonna just get like a little bit more water because I don't think that it has enough. So let's just get a little bit more water. Okay, Fred. Go sit over there.
I want it to be in there.
No, go sit over there. Go sit over there. I just need to focus. I'm sorry. Okay, so here's the cake mix. It's looking really good. Okay. Okay, so here's the cake mix, guys. And it actually looks really good. I want to eat it. So, let's mix it up.
You all gonna eat it.
Box. Okay, so here it is. It's all mixed up. So now it says, spoon the batter into the baking pan. Spread evenly. Okay. Wait. Hey guys, just while I'm doing this, do you want to see a magic trick? I'm gonna make Freddie appear on this chair right here. 3, 2, 1. Here he is.
Hello.
Okay, let's put it in the baking pan.
That reminds me of ketchup.
Hey Freddie, can you move that up over there for me?
Get it.
Thank you. You know what I think you'll be good at? So guys, right now we're just putting the baking mix in the... Freddie, I'm pretty sure this has raw flour in it and raw eggs, okay? So please don't.
I'm putting it in there. Jeez.
Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're just putting the cake mix in the pan. Now, I know this looks like frosting to you guys probably, but it's not frosting, it's cake mix.
Yeah. If you didn't know what this is,
Your this right there.
you don't have it. If you didn't know what this is, you don't have it.
That's probably right.
Everyone doesn't have it, so no one knows what it is.
Well, some people have it. Okay, so we're just like putting this in there at the moment. So Freddie, maybe you should give the Dolly Mamas some jokes.
So guys, what's a dog without a horse? What's a dog? What's a dog without what? It's a naked bacon.
Seeing eyes of mine.
What do you get when you mix a hawk and a dog?
What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll try to fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll change it, change it.
Now I'm just gonna spread it even out wherever.
Just spreading it out. Hey Freddie.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mysteries. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll try to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by Loved by you.
Go. Perfect. Here. Go. Okay, see you guys in 16 minutes.
Already.
16 minutes later.
Oh, hey guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, this timer is crazy. Okay, stop. 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 Okay, here we go. Now, let's pull this baby into the cooling chamber. Okay, I think she's in there. Let's see. Yep, she's in the cooling chamber. While she's cooling, let's make one of our frostings. Let's get one of our mixing bowls. We need another spoon. Be right back. Zip. Hey guys, magic trick. I'm gonna make the spoon appear right here. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Frosting time. Okay, frosting time. This is the strawberry cake mix. This is the empty red velvet cake mix. These are the, oh my gosh, okay, let's make the vanilla frosting. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say guys, we're gonna have a special guest and he's gonna be coming on any second. So when he comes, don't scream because he's pretty cool.
No, no.
Oh, here he comes. Here we have Spidey. Oh my gosh, he just shot him up like all the way over there. Okay,
I'm gonna
Got that in there. Okay.
So, now I
Okay.
need
1.5 tablespoons of water.
Let's see what I got if I did.
Perfect. Right. Time to mix.
What are you doing now?
All done.
Oh,
So we have the vanilla frosting right here. Okay, so here's our vanilla frosting. It is white as I thought it would be.
Like my
Alright,
web.
I'm gonna put this over here, and now we're gonna make the mix.
Like my web. What's this?
Okay, time for pink frosting. Wow. Okay, we have the pink frosting. Oh my gosh,
I'm gonna see that.
it's pink. Magic spoon. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Here's the spoon. Okay, and then we need a half one. Ooh, look guys, it's turning pink.
I guess.
Okay, perfect. We have the second frosting, and it is literally strawberry pink. I think that. Here we have the red velvet cake. We just took it out of the oven, and we're gonna let it cool now so that we can make the second layer of the cake. So as you guys can see, here are our frostings. It makes them a little bit more. But yeah, so here's our cake, and we're going to make the second layer. Welcome back. Because the last video this video. But here we have our red velvet cake right here. I can't pick it up. I think it's too hot. But here's our strawberry cake over here. Then we're just gonna frost this cake while we wait for this cake to cool, and then we'll just plop it, frost it, put some sprinkles on it, and try some. So let's get right into it. So I have my butter knife right here, and I'm gonna get some vanilla frosting in the middle and some strawberry frosting. Wait, we're supposed to put the strawberry frosting on the bottom. No, we're supposed to put the strawberry cake on the bottom.
Whatever you want. You can whatever you like.
Okay. So let's get some vanilla frosting. Here we have some vanilla frosting. I'm just gonna this cake is cool. That cake is cool.
Now when you put the strawberry one on there, put the strawberry one top, down, bottom, up. And then you'll have a flat cake top.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, first cake frosting. Now let's get this second cake. Nice and cool. cake just like that. Literally, like, I'm gonna leave as much as I possibly can in here, so I can lick it out later. Okay, so, and I'll be like, no, I didn't put all the frosting on the cake. Must have just rinsed out with my tongue. But, so, yeah. Oh my goodness, this cake is really, okay, Mommy. I totally just messed this over myself. By the way, here's Freddie. Sprinkle time.
That looks so good. I'm eating it now. Ooh, hot. Hot. Can I put some on?
Put it. Okay, I will.
Can I eat them right now?
Okay. Anyways, guys, here is the final product. So yeah, make sure that you guys leave a like and subscribe, and make sure that you comment down below if you can what video I should do next. Bye, guys. Love you all.